In October 2017, over 5,300 homes were destroyed, 24 lives were tragically lost, and over 173 square miles were destroyed. Since then, Sonoma County staff and officials have worked tirelessly to increase our capacity to respond to future disasters and make us more prepared than ever before. We've made exceptional progress in this regard. Here are just some of the things that we've done to make ourselves more prepared. We are managing our environment and our homes to prevent future wildfires. We are reducing wildfire risk, including vegetation management, controlled burns, property inspections, and grazing projects. We are hosting community workshops to educate home and landowners about best practices to manage their properties and make their homes more fire resistant. Our Energy Independence program also provides advice on home hardening, such as using fire-resistant materials like roofing and siding, and offers financing for these types of home improvements. We have new early detection tools. Fire cameras have been installed throughout the county to provide early detection of wildfires and give firefighters real-time information, and a system of rain and stream gauges throughout the burn area to monitor for potential dangers such as flash floods and debris flows. We are improving our alert and warning system to reach everyone. No system is perfect. That's why we use multiple redundant alerting mechanisms to ensure that we reach everyone, and we continue to strive every day to make these systems better. We made sure that all jurisdictions are working together. Public safety staff meet regularly to discuss and monitor potential dangers and risks. 24 evacuation routes are being planned throughout the county to make sure that people can get out safely when needed. More evacuation routes will be planned in the future. We increased staff capacity to prepare for and manage future disasters. We created the Department of Emergency Management and hired new staff to focus on critical topics such as community preparedness and engagement in alert and warning systems. In fact, we are only one of a handful of counties in California to have a dedicated, full-time person committed to alerts and warnings. County staff are required to serve as disaster service workers during an emergency, and designated staff are always available to activate alerts when necessary. We centralized public communications and increased accessibility. To avoid confusion and misinformation, we established socoemergency.org to serve as a single source for official information during a disaster. We are partnering with United Way of the Wine Country to improve 211, a central number to call to get information and referrals, especially during disasters. And we are implementing our community preparedness communication plan to expand the way that we get information out to the community in both English and Spanish.
Hi, my name's David Rabbit.
Hola a todos, mi nombre es Melissa.
We learned how to plan, respond, and rebuild. The board established the Office of Recovery and Resiliency to address immediate needs and sustain long-term efforts to help Sonoma County rebuild and recover. We created the Resiliency Permit Center to expedite permits and inspection services for fire survivors. Currently, 64% of destroyed homes are somewhere in the rebuilding process, and 10% of homes are completely rebuilt. And we are leveraging every possible funding opportunity, including $32.6 million in FEMA hazard mitigation grants, which will eliminate or reduce long-term risk from future disasters and protect property and life in our community. We are helping you to be prepared. Everyone plays a role in preparedness. Make sure you're signed up for Nixle and SoCo Alert. Have an emergency preparedness kit and plan ready. And come to Sonoma Ready Day on September 8th at the Sonoma County Fairgrounds, where you can learn more about disaster preparedness.